Good morning, guys. So today you guys are gonna be following me along. I have a few errands to run. I gotta stop at the base. I need to there it is. I need to fill out a travel voucher for coming back home from my deployment. So I need to do all that stuff online, check on some stuff. And then my leave starts, so I can start relaxing, finish some errands around the house, and start working on the car a little bit more. She got dirty again, but it's all good. So we're gonna go on for a ride, take a buddy to the airport, and then hopefully swing by some shops and check them out. But follow along. A little scary running out of gas, but I'm heading to the gas station right now. Hopefully we make it. So we made it to the pump. We came to Sam's Club to pump. It's the cheapest place out here, honestly. Probably with seconds to spare, we made it to the pump, boys and girls. So let's fill her up. Let's see how much she takes. Just fueled her up all the way from running on nothing to $83 on a full tank. So rolling, she's feeling good. Now she's gonna purr. Let's see that full tank right now. Let's close that door. Bam, 362 miles. I'll take it. Whoever says that a 370Z cannot be used as a pickup truck is a liar. Look at this. Look at this. Take out the bags. Take out the bags.
Ooh, we got one bag.
We got one bag.
85 pounds.
Look at this bad boy. By the way, everyone, I want to introduce you to my good friend Jawad here. He was deployed with me in the Middle East, and he's finally getting to go home.
Hell yeah, 2 weeks. Let's go. Represent that bucked up.
Bucked up.
Shout out. 20% off. Use code DriftGeek at checkout.
DriftGeek20.
DriftGeek20.
DriftGeek20 all caps. I'm sorry for this guy, but look at this. Another big old duffel.
Here I was like, oh, he's gonna help me out, and he's like, nah, I need to do a YouTube video.
There you go, buddy. Look at that. Fit in there like a glove. Oh yeah, next stop, I'll show you guys in a bit. So we made it to our next destination, and here we are. CCC. Let's see what they got inside. Some people prefer Wingstop, others prefer Buffalo Wild Wings. Me, my preference is CCC wings.
Gluten-free, baby.
Ooh.
I would have put one of your shirts on and it was theirs.
This is not coming off. That ain't going anywhere.
So what's the best way you recommend to install these wings?
It's actually a few steps. I don't want to make this video an hour long, but you can go to our YouTube channel at Crown Carbon Crafting, and we have a install video on how to install this particular wing.
Nice. So I'll probably put their URL in the description below, guys, so check it out. Make sure to give them a subscribe, a follow, a like, and get yourselves one of these sick wings.
Actually, I bought this wing. We're actually discontinuing it.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's only a few left of these that we overstocked on. but we're making the same style, same exact thing, but we're bonding it to the OEM spoiler, so it's going to be all one piece. It's going to be bolt-on and also 3M taped on.
And you tell me this now after I get this one?
Yeah.
Alright.
But later, you could just remove this whole thing along with your OEM wing, and we'll stick a full wing on it.
Oh, nice.
See? For now, you're going to look fresh with this one.
Ooh. I need to find out. So is this a king's crown or a queen's crown?
That, my friend, is a gender neutral crown.
Non-GMO?
Non-GMO.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Best of the best.
It's pretty good.
Bone out.
Bone out? So you make parts for Z's and Subarus, right?
Z's, well, Nissan, Infiniti, Subaru. What else is that? Oh, we're making BMW carbon doors for E46. Those are getting dropped next month. We got something cooking for the GR86.
Nice.
Yeah.
And all that, what do you do?
This thing.
This thing's nice, man.
Bald eagle, right?
Yeah.
I can hear America screaming in the background. What was that?
That was my impersonation of a bald eagle. But I'm pretty sure it's more of a bald eagle baby.
Yeah, we dynoed this thing. It's about 420 bald eagles.
420?
We got 420 bald eagles.
It's a weird looking SR you got here, man.
Yeah, it's two SRs put together
Ah.
in a V shape.
Blew out your flare at the track?
Yeah. That was at 15 psi.
They're saying not only do you make parts for cars, but you actually drive your car too.
Oh yeah, I make parts for cars to support my addiction, which is driving cars. So
Okay.
wrecking cars.
There's no recovery for that, you know that, right?
No, there isn't.
Oh
But
yeah.
it's okay. Just gotta make more money.
That which is methanol injection for me.
This thing's so sick. Love the cage color too.
My wife painted it.
Really?
She rattle canned it.
Oh wait, that's dope. Alright guys, so we're on our way back home. We just left Crown Carbon Crafting. We didn't leave empty-handed. As you guys can see in the back, we have their amazing, beautiful, and apparently now discontinued carbon fiber wing. So thank you to Harvey and the whole Crown Carbon Crafting team. You guys are amazing, love your products, and we're gonna continue to work together. They're an absolutely amazing company, and yeah, just excited, man. The Z's getting some love, coming back from my deployment, so I'm gonna challenge myself, and I need you guys to hold me up to this end of the challenge, but I'm gonna try to give you guys at a minimum 1 video a week. That's all I can do for now, while I adapt back and you know, get things rolling again. But 1 video a week, that's my goal. And yeah, driving back home right now, enjoying this new GoPro, loving it. Car feels amazing, drives amazing, and now it's going to start looking amazing too. So thank you everybody for all your support. I will post a link where you guys can get some Drift Geek merch down in the description below as well. You know, help us out, show us some love, subscribe, like, comment, and let us know what we should do next, or if there's any shops we should go do interviews on, or drivers. I'm open to ideas to help get this creative process going. So thank you for everybody who's been supporting so far, and just feel extremely blessed. thank you everybody for watching thus far. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have an absolutely blessed day. Love you.